3 frozen.
All right.
How long do you think that's gonna last you?
Maybe a month. Maybe.
A month?
Maybe. All depends.
And then this is like your 3 orders of regular lumpia and your pork belly.
All right.
Sir, I'm gonna give you some banana lumpia so you and your wife can try it. This is your dessert.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy.
Thank y'all. Y'all have a good week.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The loaded lumpia. And because you're the last customer of the day, sir, it's free today.
Sure?
Yes.
Oh my God. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy. You're gonna be famous.
I am. People like, oh, she's always there.
So 2 frozen lumpia and 1 loaded lumpia.
Thank
you.
you.
Enjoy. Bye. So here's your regular lumpia and loaded lumpia.
Thank you so much.
And I hope you enjoy it.
I'm excited.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy.
Thank you.
A lot of you have asked, where do I get my supplies for my food truck? I get them from Webster Store, guys. And here is one of my favorite item that I get from Webster Store. It is the 32-ounce 3-compartment container. And what I love about this, mga Karolings, is it stacks nicely, as you can see. And it seals nice and tight, no spills, and it's microwavable. I love this to-go containers, mga Karolings, because it can hold up to 6 orders of lumpia. It is also perfect for our to-go loaded lumpia, lumpia sampler, and of course, our crispy pork belly special. As you can see, mga Karolings, there's also a seal, so no leakage at the bottom. This is really perfect for our lumpia business, and I have been using Webstaurant since day 1 of my food truck journey. Hey guys! Ayan guys. We have not opened yet. Mga 15 more minutes till 4. And ayan na yung pila natin. Dito sa New Bern, mahal na mahal tayo talaga ng New Bern. Kaya nandito tayo palagi. Hello mga Karolings! Happy Saturday! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. For today's video, isi-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-plate ng ating pork belly adobo bowl. Syempre guys, meron yan 2 lumpia at meron din tayong cucumber at green onions. Thank you for watching. Enjoy! Yeah, you fold it there, and then you close it here, and then just roll it out. Oh, look at that. Look at her lumpia, guys. Perfect. Oh my God. Hello mga Karolings! Happy Monday! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. Ayan guys, ang ating crispy pork belly special na nag-sold out last Saturday. And meron tayong customer mga Karolings nag-request ng no rice, double pancet, and 2 lumpia. So sa mga ganitong request guys, no upcharge na tayo kasi maliit na bagay.
Happy Tuesday mga ka-rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. For today's video mga ka-rollings, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mapapabilis ang pagro-roll nyo ng lumpia. Ayan guys, gumagamit tayo ng rolling lumpia mat para yung size nyo guys ay consistent. Gumagamit din pala tayo ng egg white sa pagsisil ng ating lumpia at ibinebenta natin ito for $30.25 pieces kapag ka frozen and $7 for 4 pieces naman sa loob ng ating food truck. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy! Please don't forget to share and follow.
Mga ka-rollings, happy Tuesday! This is Cecilia and it is rolling day. And ayan na nga guys, maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung saan ba natin nabibili itong ating squeeze bag or pastry bag na ginagamit natin guys sa ating lumpia.
Hello mga ka-rollings! Alam nyo ba na malaki din yung kinikita natin sa pagbebenta ng frozen lumpia? Katulad ngayon guys, meron tayong pre-order na 350 pieces na pork lumpia and then 250 pieces na frozen chicken lumpia to be picked up this Friday.
Yeah.
Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Plus, I keep the nana real sweet for your eating. Yes, to be the boss and yes, I be respecting whatever that you tell me, cause it's game you be spitting. Best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it. I'll be on deck. Keep it.
Ang may-ari ng Pork and Spoon na si Odi, bibigyan niya tayo guys ng merchandise. Pork and Spoon t-shirt. Thank you, Odi.
Thank you so much for coming.
Wait, napakasarap ng chicken inasal
Matamis.
ng pork lentop. I love it. For real. Napakasarap niya.
At saka yung sinigang.
Sinigang.
Mahilig
Perfect.
kami sa sinigang and this is masarap.
Yan guys,
Maasim,
napaka-perfect.
diba?
Gusto ko yan.
Pag hindi maasim,
Napaka-perfect.
nilaga yan.
Napakasarap. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ayan guys, punta kayo dito. Pork and Spoon, Burlington, North
Thank
Carolina.
you guys, punta kayo dito. At saka siyempre yung rolling lumpia. Huwag niyong kakalimutan.
Nag-drive pa kami talaga guys ng 3 hours para lang talaga dito sa pagkain ni Odi. Ayan guys.
Thank you guys.
Hindi kami
Love, love,
kumain.
love.
Ayan kami ko. Love, love, love.